Well, yet again, just when we thought that we're that close to 14K, it remains elusive. So today as well, we were unable to really lap up onto that 14K mark, although at one point in time towards closing, we got only 10 points away from that level. But maybe tomorrow on expiry day, who knows. Today, we've closed comfortably in the trade, about 42 odd points, but largely we were very quiet and muted throughout today's trading session. To begin with, actually, it was a very unusual list of movers as well. You couldn't really draw up any trend, at least within the broader markets, which for the better part of today's trading session were favoring the declines. It's only towards the latter part, towards close to be precise, that we did see the advances make an attempt and try and claw back just a wee bit. So largely a neck and neck kind of market breadth is what we've closed the day with 72 stocks standing to the upside within the F&O universe and 65 to the decline. So it was really that close. The one theme that really held out today was cement all through and through. So market cap agnostic, be it UltraTech Cement, the largest player in the country, or for that matter Ambuja, ACC, Ramco Cement, or India Cement, or for that matter Shree Cement. All of these stocks were holding on to very, very steady gains for themselves. Ramco closed in with a solid 4.6% move. You had UltraTech Cement, which was up about 4.5%. Ambuja as well, knocking on gains in excess of 3%. Also within the Nifty, you saw some decent moves coming in for a UPL. You had a Bajaj Finance, which held out very strongly, 2.5% solid move coming in there. And besides cement and a couple of the financials which I just highlighted, there was also autos, which was really to the fore. And not just autos, auto ancillaries as well from the broader universe, which I'll come to in just a bit. But first, a color on what was happening within the Nifty. Maruti held out today. M&M as well was a mover. Tata Motors as well saw a gain of about 1%, and then Balkrishna Industries. Remember, this was the first ones within the auto and ancillary themes to have recovered post-lockdown. Because of the initial pent-up demand, and since then this is one stock which has really been on a tear, and today was no different. Balkrishna again saw a very solid 3.5% move coming in today's trading session as well. Handful of losers which we just must mark as well. PNB, after 2 days of a heady run-up, finally saw some petering down. That was a little bit weak in today's trading session. IndusInd Bank, again a solid performer yesterday, took a bit of a breather. In fact, most traders do seem to believe that in the near term, you got to get a little cautious on IndusInd Bank, purely because of how steep and swift the run-up has been on the stock price. Axis Bank, GAIL, Cipla, SBI, these were a handful of losers. From within the broader universe, not just PNB, but Page Industries, REC, Adani Enterprises, PFC, these were a couple of other laggards. But tomorrow, we're going to mark the last and final expiry for what has been a magical 2020. Call it whatever you may, but we've really gone through hell and back this entire year. So we'll pick up all the market action tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. and mark the last trading day of the calendar year 2020.